Hey guys, what's going on? It's Andrew and Jack with Decker's Pondscapes, and today is another Tech Tip Tuesday. So what we're going to be doing today is Jack is going to show you how to build a couple Aquablox. We're going to go over the small size and the large size and the benefits of having them in your pondless waterfall feature. Right, Jack?
Of course.
Jack and I took out all the parts and the components that you need to build the small Aquablox and the large Aquablox. So let's get these open and we'll teach you guys how to put them together.
This is a small Aquablox. It is 26.5 inches by 16 inches by 9.5 inches. It holds about 17 gallons of water. Now this is a large Aquablox. It's 26.5 inches by 16 inches by 17.5 inches. This one can hold up to 32 gallons of water.
All right, so these Aquablox are so easy to build. We're just gonna let Jack go ahead and do it. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna take one of the larger panels and you're gonna use that as your base or your bottom. Then what Jack's doing is he's taking these smaller panels and he's going to line them up. If you can see, right here, there's a black line that marks where you're gonna wanna put these smaller pieces. So it's pretty simple. You line it up, and then you give it a nice little bang. You can use a mallet, but these are so easy to put together, you could just hit it with your fist. Now step two, what Jack's gonna do next, he's gonna take the top part, and he's gonna connect it all the way from the back to the front. Now, what are we gonna do next, Jack?
Put the sides on.
We're gonna get those sides on. So he's gonna flip the Aquablox, line up the sides, and again, gonna, boom, hammer them in. So this is the large Aquablox, and now this is a little bit different from the small Aquablox because we only have two different sized panels. You have the larger panels for all the way around the outside, and then the smaller panels are gonna be what goes on the inside of your Aquablox. So just like the small Aquablox, we're gonna start with the base, and then we're gonna get our panels in first. So what's really cool about these Aquablox is they can hold about 5,000 pounds per square foot. So these things are pretty durable and can take a lot of weight. So just like the small Aquablox, Jack is lining them up with our guidelines, and then he's knocking them into place. Now that he's got his middle panels in, time to get the top on. With them. All right, he's got the top and bottom on, and now you're gonna use the same large panel as your side pieces. So these Aquablox are really cool because they do have multiple purposes. Not only are they used for water storage, but all of these nooks and crannies are designed to help bacteria grow on the inside. The bacteria is then used to help filter the water. You could build them individually like this, or you could build a double or triple module, which means you could build them on top of each other. So here you can see the difference in the sizes between the small and the large Aquablox. The large Aquablox are almost double the size. We wanted to kind of show you how durable these things really are. So Jack volunteered.
Sturdy.
He's pretty sturdy, right? Look at that form. So these Aquablox are definitely super easy to build and definitely great for a DIY pondless build or even a professional build. We use these all the time when we're building our pondless waterfall features. All right, guys, that's been another Tech Tip Tuesday. If this is the sort of thing you like, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, check us out on all of our other social media platforms, and as always, enjoy your families.